To transfer money from TransferWise to Zelle, you need to have accounts on both platforms. Start by logging into your TransferWise account and navigating to the Transfer Money section. Select the type of transfer you want to make, which in this case is a domestic transfer within the United States. Choose the currency you want to send, which should be US dollars if you are transferring to Zelle. Enter the amount you want to transfer and review the exchange rate and fees associated with the transfer. Once you have confirmed the details, you will need to add the recipient's information. However, since you are transferring to Zelle, you will need to add your own Zelle link email address or phone number as the recipient. This is because Zelle requires the sender to have the recipient's email address or phone number associated with their Zelle account to initiate a transfer. After adding the recipient's information, review the transfer details again to ensure everything is correct. If you are satisfied, confirm the transfer and the funds will be sent to your Zelle link account. The transfer time may vary depending on the type of transfer and the speed of the TransferWise and Zelle systems. To receive the funds in Zelle, ensure that your email address or phone number is correctly linked to your Zelle account. You should receive a notification from Zelle once the funds are available in your account. It is essential to note that TransferWise and Zelle have their own set of fees and limits, so it is crucial to review these before initiating a transfer. Additionally, ensure that you are complying with the terms of service of both platforms to avoid any issues with your accounts. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from TransferWise to Zelle, taking advantage of the competitive exchange rates and low fees offered by TransferWise, and the convenience of Zelle's peer-to-peer transfer system.